So, how did the Mike Tyson fight come about? Were you excited? Were you nervous?
It kind of, after you have so many fights, after I went 24-0, then we started to get noticed, on a national level, and to get out of local boxing, you have to go on with a big promoter. And back then, it was either the Duvas, Bob Arum, or Don King.
Yeah.
And my manager had a connection with a guy that was with Don King for years.
Yeah.
And at that time, if you wanted to get to big time pro boxing, Don King was the man. 70s, 80s, 90s. He put on nothing but big shows, and he paid the most of the three promoters I mentioned.
Yeah. Were you nervous?
Simple facts.
Were you nervous going into the Mike Tyson fight? Were you excited?
I was like both.
Yeah. And what was your preparation going into that fight? What did you put your body through?
We had training. We had training camps in Florida prior to that. Whitman, Massachusetts, right next to Brockton, was a daily training camp. And then we did 12 days in Lafayette, Louisiana, the southern coast of the USA. It was 99 degrees, 99% humidity, and Vinny, my manager Vinny used to say this: the hotter it is, the harder McNeeley trained.
Was there any set program you did? Like, what was your training regime?
Always the same. Workouts in the morning. It was running and strength workouts, and then every afternoon, evening was straight boxing. Going to the boxing gym.
Yeah. What kind of stuff were you doing? Were you doing a lot of cardio stuff? A lot of skipping. I know the boxers do a lot of skipping.
Running, biking, jump rope. The first year I started boxing in Brockton, when I was at the college, I ran and completed the Boston Marathon, and I broke 4 hours.
Really?